Hey there, to change AirDrop name on your iPhone, you need to go to your settings. From here, swipe down and go to General. And from here, you can go to About. Now you will find this option called Name. Tap here, and from here you can change your name. So after changing your name, this name will appear on your AirDrop, Bluetooth, and all those kind of connectivities. If the person whom you are airdropping with have your contact saved, then this name won't pop up. But if you are airdropping with persons who don't have your contact, then in that scenario this name will pop up on their device. So yeah, that's how you change AirDrop name on your iPhone.